Hello, I'm Sharon. Welcome to Global Action Plan's Power of Growing Your Own video series. Today we are demonstrating the youth gardening packs. Okay, so this is our children's pack. So we'll have a look at what you received in your pack. So you should have a bag of compost like this, a window box. It might be a different size to this, but you'll have a window box anyway. You'll also have a couple of these little black pots. You'll have 2 plastic cups with pea seeds in them. You'll have some grass seeds for your grass heads, which you can see one here we did earlier. And then you have 2 packs of seeds. So one is lettuce seed and the other one are flower seeds. Then you should have some labels and sticky faces for your labels. More labels sticking to everything. You'll have some sticks for writing which vegetable you just sowed. And some elastic bands for your grass head and a stocking. So, here we go. Oh, sorry, and I forgot. You'll have some googly eyes for your grass head. So he'll look pretty much the same as him. So for our first activity, we're going to sow our salad leaves into the window box. So we need to fill up the window box with your compost. And there's plenty of compost for all your activities. So just up to the line. There's a little line, I'm sure you can see it there. So we've got that. Then we'll take our lettuce seeds, which are in seed pack number 2. And there's plenty of seeds. They're very small, but you can, if you want to do one batch and then do another batch another day, that'll work as well, because you have enough seeds to do that. So take them into your hand, and listen, if they all go in at once, that doesn't matter either, so just keep going. So we sprinkle our seeds over the top. And they're very tiny seeds, so we just need a small bit of compost to cover them on the top. So usually when you're covering seeds, you only cover them. If it's a big seed, it'll go deeper into the compost. If it's a small seed, it'll just sit on the top. So we've done that. We'll water that in a few minutes. So now if you want to write what you have on this, your salad leaves, and you can put a label in, or if you want, we have nicer labels. So if you decide, well, I think I'll know that salad leaves, well, I put the orange label on. So you can put your orange label and you can stick that in. So a bit low down, but there you go. So now I'll just move this aside and we'll do our second activity. Our second activity will be, you have 2 little plastic cups. One is to hold your grass head if it's not too heavy, and the other one is for your peas. Because normally when we look at plants growing, we only see the leaves and the shoots and the stems. We don't see the roots because they're under the ground or they're in the compost. So with this little activity, we're going to do it so you can see the roots growing. So put your 2 peas down. So take a bit of compost into the cup. So it's like this. Then just stick your finger down the side so you can see your finger. Pop one of your seeds down there and push the compost over a little bit. Be nice and gentle, so you should be able to see your seed. Then go to the other side of the cup and pop the other pea down there, and you can give that a water, and when it starts to grow you'll give it a little bit more water and leave it on the windowsill, and so you'll be able to watch the little roots coming out of here and the shoots coming out of here, which I think is very interesting. So that's that activity. Now the next one, we're going to sow some flower seeds. Now you've got, these are nasturtiums. Some people might got sunflowers. So you've enough, if you want to, you can do 2 little pots and put 1 in each, because they'll be plenty. They might get a bit big, and if they do get too big, you're more than welcome to bring them down here to the community garden and I'll plant them here for you. So if you don't have your garden, because this garden is for everybody. So we'll fill up the pot. We'll take one of our seeds and we'll pop it in the middle, and we'll push it down with our finger until it disappears under the compost. Cover it up, and then we'll water that later when we're watering the window box. So we might as well continue and do the other one as well while we're here. So put your seed on top, push it down, cover it up, and you can put your labels in here, and you can either write on them or stick your sticky label on. It's totally up to you. It's your garden pack. So there you are. Now the best activity for last. So this is our grass head. So and in this little pack there's so much grass seed, you can make about 4, if not more, of these. So don't put them all in at once, keep them. So we'll start off. We'll open up our little stocking. Now, and in the toe of the stocking we'll put a little bit of grass seeds, so about 1/4 of the pack. Then we'll put some compost on, and what we're aiming for is a ball about the size of a large orange or a tennis ball or something like that, but you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. So, and not to worry, if the grass seed moves down and it's not on his head, you can just say it's his moustache or his beard, so it's fine. So let's see, bit of a stick in there. So I think that's enough compost in there. So now we need to tie the stocking so the compost stays in there. Tie it nice and tight. And there we have a start. So now you need to decide which is the front, which you think his face will be. So I think this is the front here. So you're going to pinch a little nose. And you're going to take one of your elastic bands. Now you might need a little bit of help here, so if there's anybody there that can give you a bit of help. So there's his little nose. Then we need to give him 2 ears. So again, we'll take a little elastic band. There's 1 ear. So now he needs 1 more ear. And if it's up to you if you want to, it can be a boy or a girl. So if you want to have long hair, short hair, ponytails, whatever hairstyle you like, you can have. So when it starts growing, you can get a little scissors. Once you got permission to use the scissors, and cut his hair. So now, this is what we have. What do you think he needs now? A pair of eyes, isn't it? So these eyes are sticky. Then you just have to take the label off the back. And they're a tiny little bit fiddly, but it comes off. There we go. So 1 eye there. And another eye. So there you are. There's your little grass head. Like your other seeds, you have to keep this watered. So you just keep it moist until the grass starts to grow, and then you water it regularly. So, and then you can sit him in the little cup and send me pictures when his hair starts growing, and we see who gets the best hairstyle. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope we've helped with your gardening journey. If you have any questions or you need any other support, you can contact us on the Global Action Plan website or Facebook page.